Wait, did you see this? FTFT just exploded 262% in a single day after announcing a reverse stock split. We're talking a stock that went from dust to a legitimate rocket in 24 hours. This is exactly what we hunt for every single day. And today's pre-market scan found 5 of these movers before they show up on your regular broker app. Stick around because I'm breaking down every single one, with entry targets, stops, and the catalysts driving these moves right now. Alright, here's the summary. We just wrapped an after-market session where the algo found exactly 5 stocks worth your attention. These aren't your typical blue-chip moves. We're talking about small-cap and micro-cap names with serious momentum, massive volume, and actual catalysts behind them. Float sizes are tight. Relative volumes are spiking at 2.0x. And the scores tell us which ones have the cleanest momentum structure. Today's scan is loaded with reversal plays, earnings pivots, and news-driven rockets. Let's break them down. Number 1 is FTFT. That's Future Fintech Group. This one's our moonshot with a 65 out of 100 momentum score. It's up 262.8%, trading at $2.11. And here's why it matters. The company just approved a 1-for-4 reverse stock split. That's a major corporate action that typically resets the psychology on a stock and can spark huge institutional interest. Volume is absolutely crushing it. 43 million shares total. Armation at the resistance levels. Number 2 is AREN. AREN Group Holdings. This is a solid 56 out of 100 mover, up 20.2% at $1.13. Here's the story. They just reported Q2 2026 earnings with a strategic AI pivot. That's a earnings catalyst combined with a sector narrative that's hot right now. Volume is 32 million shares on a 38 million share float. 2.0x relative volume. This is more stable than FTFT but still got legs. Entry $1.13. Target. NG trade confirmation tomorrow. Number 3 is WCT. Well Change Holdings. 47 out of 100 score. Up 24.3% at 93 cents. Now here's the catch. The company announced a $7.5 million offering of 50 million shares. That's usually dilutive news. But the stock's still holding gains. Why? Because there's underlying strength or the market's pricing in the capital for expansion. Volume is 40 million shares on just 2.3 million float. This is X. Yushin can reverse momentum fast. Number 4 is Duo. FANG DD. A 41 out of 100 score. Up 24.7% at 87 cents. The catalyst here is that FANG DD received a Nasdaq notification about the minimum bid price requirement. Translation. The stock was in danger of delisting. And now there's clarity around next steps. That announcement clarity is actually spark-worthy for a stock in survival mode. Volume is massive. 126 million shares traded. But the flow? Ching on technical confirmation. Number 5 is ORIO. ORIO Digital. 40 out of 100 score. Up 14.9% at exactly $1. Their catalyst is launching an intelligent investing platform. This is a news-driven event. Not earnings. Not a reverse split. Volume is much lighter at 2 million shares on a 19 million share float. But it's still spiking 2.0x. Entry $1.00. Target $1.20. Target $1.50. Stop 85 cents. This one's our tier 4. Here's what I'm watching for tomorrow morning. First, Confirmation volume. If $FTFT opens and holds above that $2.11 level with volume still elevated, we could see a push toward target 1. Second, AREN's earnings sentiment. Watch for analyst reactions overnight and pre-market action. If the AI pivot narrative gets legs, we could see that gap and go move to target 1. Third, WCT's dilution narrative. If the market decides that capital raise is accretive, the stock could run. If not, that tight float means it could snap back just as fast. Watch the level at 93 cents. Fourth, Duo's regulatory news follow-up. Delisting alerts can spark institutional attention, especially if insiders are buying. Fifth, ORIO's platform launch adoption. This one's the smallest, but if it gains traction on social or trading channels, breakout confirmation on volume is your entry signal. All 5 of these demand one thing. Wait for confirmation tomorrow before any real position size. Size small. Confirm the move. Then add. That's how you survive micro-cap momentum plays. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. Want the full trade setup, real-time alerts, and our complete scanning methodology? Head over to TDVW.com. That's where we live. Deep data. Real rockets. No hype. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the pre-market tomorrow morning.